ka. Ay, pengi ako. May kausap ako mga taga-hospital dito, ha? Ang mga... Taga-saan? Hospital ka dito? Ha? Kuwait? Ano ay kung sila mga professional? May masahista, may OFW, may teacher, diba may musikero, may police, may nurses, department head, may doktor, at may asawang kasama ang doktor. Yun na lang. Hindi ka lang profession ni ma'am. Diba? Ang dami mga professional. At dahil professional yung mga nandito ngayon, ang pinag-usapan namin ay yung mga body parts. Yung mga bulboreal glands, ganyan. Yung mga cerebrum, latissimus dorsi, abdominis, alam ko ba? Yung mga vasoconstrictor, vasorestrictor, deoxyribonucleic acid. Nabasa ko lang sa Google kanina. Maligayang bati po sa mga staff, nurses, security guard, parking attendants. Ang tawag sa tagat ng wheelchair? IW? Ayan. Ayan, lahat ng staff ng hospital, mga kaibigan. Sa buong Pilipinas, lalo na yung mga taga Inares. At saka sa Gat Andres Bonifacio Hospital. Dito po yung doktor. Bukas wala po si Doc. Ayokong banggit. Pipicture ako, tatag ko po kayo lahat mamaya. Ano lang to, sa mga nakikinig po sa bahay, kinichika-chika ko lang, ang ending to networking din naman. Recruit to mga to. Etchos lang. Maligayang bati mga kaibigan kay Direk Mamu, ayan, thank you very much. Direk Louie Ignacio, nag-text sa akin yata isang araw. Direk, hindi ko na-replyan. Pasensya ka na po, but I love you and I miss you. Maligayang pakikinig po. Papa Jack, pagibati naman, Benjan Benamer, ayan, ng 3B volleyball team, sina Roy Eris, RG, CJ Jerome, RJ of Marikina from Benjan. At si Papa Jojo Safra niya appear. Thank you, Paps, maligayang pakikinig sa'yo. Pabati naman daw ang NG2147 Marvin Kasagan. Sabi ni Marvin Kasagan. From Camille. Yan, maligayang paglalakbay. May caller tayo, si Kyle ng UK. Oh, really? Oh my God. This is very amazing. I would love to ask the caller, have you seen Harry Potter? Sorry, hindi talaga Harry yun, Harry. Mag-shape kasi. Hello?
Hello, good evening po.
Hi, good evening. Do you know the way to Hogwarts University?
I think you're mistaken. That's an English accent.
Oh, I'm not from UK. I'm from Cebu. Mali ka pala, Bu. Ano yung accent ko?
Daddy po, English po yan.
Ano po ako?
English.
English? Ikaw, saan ka ba?
I'm in Wales.
In Wales?
Yes.
Sa Oslo to, di ba? Wales watching.
Diba sa ano po yun? Defending watching.
You are Kyle.
Yes po.
Alright.
Actually, yung pangalan ko, Kyle Wynn. Kaya lang hindi po may spell ni Richard. Kaya Kyle na lang.
Oo, sorry, mahina sa pangalan yan eh. Para sa kaalaman na lahat mga kaibigan si Richard is a very gifted guy. Ito para alam nyo I will share something to you. Kyle! Okay, si Richard napaka-gifted nito. Mga kaibigan, para lang po alam nyo, siya yung sumagot. Richard will be performing with me in Araneta kasi siya yung drummer ko doon. So alam niya gawin yan.
Talented.
And he is my personal dance instructor. He dances. Okay? He drives for me. He does everything for me most of the time, but he is really poor with names. Minsan pangalan niya nakakalimutan niya. Ang dami niyang gift. Nagigitara. Diba? Oh, kumakanta. Dancer, drummer. Diba? Oo. Pero pag pangalan na, nagko-collapse. Na-realize ko ngayon lang, no? Iba ka. Anyways, Kyle, gano'n ka nakatagal dyan sa UK?
12 years.
Oh.
12 years na po.
Can we talk in your accent?
In my in Wales accent, mostly it's
Okay, iba
what you
yung...
want to talk about.
Ano ho?
What you want to talk about? Ano pong gusto mong pag-usapan? Hindi naman lumalabas lang, ganyan yung accent, diba? Siyempre, dapat may topic. Parang gano'n.
Pag-usapan natin yung exchange rate ng sterling pounds yan. Teka lang, alam mo ba na ako ay nadyaryo sa Wales kailan lang?
Oh, talaga?
Oo.
Saan part po ng Wales? South Wales or North Wales?
Teka lang ha, andito sa akin yung kopya ng dyaryo. The name of the newspaper is The Forester.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The Forester, ano to? Asan ba yung address nito? The Forester. Asan ba yan? Saan ba nakikita talaga to? Asan ba to? The Forester. But have you heard of this? The Forester.co.uk. Yeah. Do you know this newspaper?
No, I heard about Sun, Daily Mirror, the other one I forgot, the Daily Sunday or something like that.
Wala yung dito address eh. Wala eh, sorry. Yeah. Ang title ng ng write-up is Harry Potter's uncle gives Papa Jack a nosebleed. Kailan lang yan eh. Anyways, Kyle, anong ginagawa mo dyan?
As of now, nagpapak po.
Nagpapak na ano?
Nagpapak ng mga binabuy and sell ko po.
Okay. I mean...
Sideline.
Okay. But what is your job? What is your job in Wales?
My job. Ano po? PT po.
Oh. Halos puro medically oriented yung mga usap ko yung gabi ah. You are a physical therapist?
Apo.
Amazing. Splendid. Asukal yun, di ba? Splendid pala. Physical therapist ka?
Apo.
Okay, what is ligaments then?
A ligament is the part of the body that connects from bone to bone. Ano to? Examination ba?
Oo, gusto ko malaman kung magaling ka.
Gusto mo yung kung ACL, PCL, parang gano'n.
Huwag akong tanongin yan, wala akong alam dyan.
Isa-isahin natin yung mga muscles.
Isihan mo lang ako, te. Hindi mo mahirapan.
Ano ko kasi exam eh.
Ano ba yan? Where can I find my...
Matalino ka eh.
Teka lang. What is the biggest muscle mass in our body?
Our muscle mass.
Yeah, the biggest muscle in our body.
The biggest muscle in our body is our thigh muscle.
Saan?
Or the strongest muscle.
I'm not asking for the strongest. I'm asking for the biggest. Hindi niya alam. Ay, boom!
Ano ka? Boom! Boom ka agad.
Hindi ko din alam.
Pasensya na po. Namumutan tayo. Sige na.
Di ba yung puwet?
Kaya gluteus muscles. Hindi pa rin siya yung... sige na.
Gluteus maximus.
Muscle.
Yun yun. Oo.
Apo.
Tignan mo, ang galing ni Doc. May doktor kasi dito. Kaya may kodigo ako.
Kaya pala.
Binibentahan ko ka ng gamot to eh. Anyways, Kylene,
Apo.
what can I do for you?
Ano po, maghihingi lang po ng advice.
Tell me a story.
Huh?
Kwentuhan mo ko.
Hello?
Yeah,
Daddy, I have a friend. We became lovers. Tapos, we've been friends since we were childhood. And then we met here in UK.
Alright, Pinoy ba yan o hindi?
Pinoy po.
Pinoy. You met this guy in UK, and kailan kayo nag-meet? How long ago?
Ano po, childhood friend ko po siya.
Okay.
Tapos we met here in UK.
Okay, so,
Tapos,
maliliit pa kayo, magkakilala na kayo, at parehas kayo napadpad ng UK. Ganun ba yun?
Apo, pero parang coincidence lang po na nagkita kami sa UK.
Ang liit ba ng
Kasi
UK?
I don't have... Hindi. Parang ang liit ng mundo po.
Saan ka pinanganak?
Manila.
Alright. And dito mo siya naging childhood friend sa Manila?
Apo.
Okay. So it was only when you were 20 years old that you went to UK. Tama ba ako? Kasi 13 years, tama?
Apo.
Alright. To work as a physical therapist, right?
Apo.
Okay. Okay, naintindihan ko na. Tapos kailan siya nagpunta na UK?
Na 10 years ago po.
Alright. And you've got nothing to do sa pagpunta niya dyan?
Wala po. As in, totally wala. And then, he's in England and I'm in Wales.
Okay.
So, parang 2 hours to 3 hours drive.
Okay.
Parang gano'n.
So, nagkita kayo sa UK nang hindi sinasadya?
Hindi po. Sa isang common friend sa isang Filipino party.
Wow! That's what they call serendipity. Diba?
Ganun ba? Parang hindi naman.
O, di mali ako. Tapos?
Ayun. And then way back 2007, po kami, nagkita, and then we started to have, I don't know if it's a relationship, but it doesn't look like a relationship. Tapos, dahil nag-separate ways na naman kami for 3 years because busy siya sa work, tapos busy rin ako sa work. And then, to the point that I got married, and then...
You got married?
Yes, I got married.
Married?
And then...
To a man? You got married?
Yes, I got married to him. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Tapos, he became a father of 2 kids.
Okay.
There, sa England.
Sa England, alright.
Yes. In short, my life became miserable, with my husband.
Your husband is a miserable guy?
No, my life became miserable.
Why?
He's not really totally miserable.
That's a nightmare, right?
Yeah, to the point I was abused, like physically and emotionally abused.
You were abused physically?
Yes.
You should have brought your wand with you and said, Wingardium Leviosa. Harry Potter. Okay. Are you still with the husband?
Okay. So that's the story. And then...
Wait lang. Kyle, are you still with the husband? Are you still with your husband?
As of now, nagkabalikan na po kami.
With the husband?
Yes.
Why?
And
why would you do that?
Because I think, that he lost something, And he was really, really asking he asked for forgiveness, and I give him another chance.
Okay. Ain't you afraid that he's going to hurt you again?
Pardon?
Nothing. Hindi ka ba takot saktan ka ulit?
Hindi po, and life is like that. You just need to go for. I give chances to everything in life. Kasi, diba, lahat naman ng tao nagbabago. Unless siguro sinaktan niya ako ng 6 na beses.
Kyle! Ano easy ka lang sa English sa akin because I'm suffering from epistaxis.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a medical term for bleeding.
Yes. So, to cut the story short, bali sinalo niya ako when I need him. Tapos,
sinalo ka niya when you need him. Okay, hold on. During that time, he was married.
Yung friend ko.
Okay.
I was still married, yes.
Okay. Yung friend mo ay married din naman?
Hindi siya married. Single father lang siya.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, when you and your husband were having trouble sa marriage ninyo, ate, it was your childhood friend in England who was there for you. Who were there for you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, he was. And then to have, nagkaroon kami ng, of course, intimate relationship. In the end, I ended up kasi it's still wrong kasi I'm still married. Okay. Kaya lang umasa siya. But, to the point na, iniwasan ko na po siya ng bonggang-bongga.
Okay, hold on. You're trying to escape a very crucial part. All right. Naging kayo ng childhood friend mo, right?
Apo.
Okay. I mean, legal na magjowa kayo. I mean, I'm not saying legal sa batas, but you were an item.
Apo.
Gaano katagal yung relasyon mo sa childhood friend mo?
For a year.
A year, okay?
Opo.
What made you end yung relasyon mo sa childhood friend mo, ate? Kasi as far as I know, madali naman divorce sa inyo when you want to. You can file for it.
Opo. Kaya lang babaero po siya. That's the difference between my husband and him. I know my husband will never ever. Well, he's very loyal to me. Siya, sa ating harapan ng bababae siya within that year na magkasama kami.
Okay. Now I get your story. Okay.
And then to the point na kasi magkasama kami nun sa trabaho as well in one hospital. So I can see what he's doing. Kasi nurse siya eh. So, iniwanan ko po siya. Kaya na ngayon po, nakikipagbalikan siya as a friend. But I really can't give the thing that he's asking. Kasi parang nasira na kasi yung trust ko sa kanya.
Okay, so, hold on. Kailan natapos yung relasyon mo with your childhood friend?
3 months ago.
How many months ago?
3 months po.
Okay, that's just barely 100 days ago, right? Okay. Okay. And kailan kayo nagbalikan ng husband mo?
Nagkabalikan kami ng husband ko na December.
Alright. Did you tell your husband about your childhood friend?
No, of course not.
No, why? Why not?
Kasi, mas maganda kaya yung huwag mong sasabihin sa tao kasi masasaktan mo yung tao.
But it's the truth. It's the truth.
It is the truth. But he doesn't need to know it kasi mas masasaktan siya. Mas dududahan na lang ako.
Oh my God, you are trying to ply safe and that's not the right thing to do.
Yeah, but the important for me today is kung ano ang magiging namin for the future and as of now. Yun ang pinaka-importante.
What would you do if he finds out about your childhood friend that you've been with this guy for a year?
I don't think he's gonna find it out anyway.
Okay. Okay. Hirapan ako sa'yo. Practice niya pa ako nakapunta dyan eh. Saan nakapunta ako dyan? Kaya panlaban ako. It's unfair. It's not good. Sabi ng nanay ko, it's unfair.
So, ayun po. Pali as of now, kaya talaga, humihingi siya na bumalik yung aming friendship.
Okay.
Pero hindi ko na talaga kayang ibigay. Kaya ang kulit niya. And then, there was an instant na nagkita na naman kami sa isang Filipino party. naglasing siya. And then to the point na hinatid ko siya sa bahay niya. Nalasing siya.
Did you kiss him? Did you kiss him?
He was trying to kiss me, but I pushed him away. I said it is enough.
You pushed him away while you were driving?
No, not while I'm driving. While nasa bahay na po kami. Yeah. Kasi hinatid ko po siya.
You got inside the house?
Yes, because he was totally drunk.
And you want me to believe that you got nothing for him, right?
Yeah. I swear to my kid's life.
No, don't do that. That's not good. That's bad.
No, but I'm just trying to say the truth. It's like I just really give him a lift going to his house.
Okay na, sige na. Hindi na ako masagot.
Ayun po.
Nababusit na ako.
So yung problem ko lang po, I really want to get rid of him. But he keep on insisting. Tapos,
okay, ganito na. Okay, stop. Alright. Total, hindi naman ito madrama, ano? Kausapin lang kita ng aking natural accent, ha?
Okay po.
Which is English. I'm an Englishman in Pasay. Alright, ganito, ano? Can you take it back, Ate, yung I swear to my kid's life, right? Because I don't like that part. Right? Don't do that. Not in any occasion that you have to do that, all right? Your kids have got nothing to do with your story tonight, all right?
Yeah.
Do not bother their lives. Okay. Tampaling kita eh.
Aray? Parang sa abot.
Ang corny mo. Ganito, ano? Ganito, okay. Listen very carefully, right? Ano, rasyo naman ako. Ate, una sa lahat, you want me to believe you that you've got nothing for this guy anymore, right? And you want to get rid of him. Is that about right?
Yeah.
But
and I'm doing it, yeah.
How could I believe you when you drive him home and you tell me that you want to get rid of him? Would that make any sense to you?
It makes sense because I still care for him because we were a childhood friend.
Yes, but he will always be and remain to be a temptation to you. Whatever happens.
I know that.
Yeah, so wag mo na kasi siyang kitain. kahit i-drive mo pa uwi, Ate, even if you are still caring for him, it's still affection para sa kanya.
Okay. So
you don't always interpret that as you care for him and you still got something for him, right?
I don't know about that.
No, that's it, Ate. I mean, first of all, Ate, you are lying to your husband by not telling your husband exactly what went on in the past 12 months before you got back together. And I'd encourage you to go ahead and tell your husband exactly what you've done in the past 12 months.
Okay.
It's the right thing to do, my dear.
Okay. Ako.
Nahirapan ka din, no?
Kaya lang kasi I'm just afraid of the consequences that's gonna happen now.
Okay, ganito, no?
Now.
Kyle, alright? Nung time na nagjowa ka ng iba at may asawa ka, you should have prepared yourself to the consequences. And believe me, your husband is going to find out about the guy. The truth would always come out.
Okay.
Look, you cheated on your husband.
I did.
You did. And you have to apologize. You have to say sorry and make it up to him. Parang taga Cebu ako, no? Punto ko. Parang taga, ako, La Union.
Hindi talaga taga-lead.
Pero, may point nung sinasabi ko. Ako lang nahihirapan sa ginagawa ko. Kwentuhan lang kami ni Doc dito. Tsaka yung department head dito, tsaka yung jowa niya nandito, naka-couple shirt sila. May inis na yung pagkatao ko tonight. Kyle.
Opo.
Ganito, you have to choose. When you agreed to be the girlfriend of this guy, you've crossed the line already. Believe that?
Yeah.
All right. And you know, you are taking so much risks for the two of you, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you have put the friendship into a very tricky situation. And you knew during that time that if the loving each other part wouldn't work, you say goodbye to everything, even the friendship.
Yeah.
So, get rid of him. Do not text the guy. Block him from all of your accounts. Do not attempt it.
Everything is blocked, yes.
What do you say? You say you violate him and I violate Ray.
Naka-block na po siya.
You block. Of course, you blocked the guy because you didn't want your husband to be looking at his photos and
Pero,
basta yun.
after that,
What?
akin lang, I'm afraid to tell my husband kasi diba sinabi ko nga sa'yo, I was physically abused before.
I don't know.
You got my part.
I got your part, darling.
Yeah.
But you still have to tell your husband. I mean, if he's going to hurt you again, maybe he's not the right guy for you. But you cheated on him. He must know the truth.
Okay.
You have to spare him his dignity.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, I did.
Mukha ba akong tanga sa ginagawa ko, te?
Hindi naman.
Medyo
Sabi
lang.
nga, diba, practice makes perfect.
But no one is perfect, so I practice. Have you been to London?
Yes, I've been to London like 5 times.
5 times. I have been wanting and planning and dreaming to going back to London
What for?
because I've been told since I was younger that the London Bridge has been falling down. It hasn't fell yet, and I want to save the bridge. I want to check if the mouse under the queen is Mickey Mouse. Diba? Sabi di ba sa nursery rhyme? Have you seen the Big Ben?
Yes, I've seen Big Ben.
The Buckingham Palace?
I did.
Have you been to Notting Hill? The Parliament? Have you been to the Parliament?
Yes, I've been there to number 10 Downing Street.
Oh my God! Have you been to Amsterdam?
No, because that's not part of United Kingdom.
I'm just asking. I'm not telling you it's a part of UK. I think Amsterdam is in Hong Kong. Hindi saan ba yung Amsterdam? Sabihin nyo! Napapahiya ako! Saan ba ang Amsterdam? Ha? Netherlands? Neverlands? Di ba kaya may Jackson yun?
There's a Holland.
Sa Holland? Holland? Okay. Basta may pala may land, England, Holland. Okay. You have not been to Amsterdam?
No, because I don't want to go to the red light district.
You don't have to go there, but you know, I have been to a similar place, like, it's not Amsterdam, it's called the Amsterdam. Sa Rookidam. To Bengadam. Parang taka si Papa dyan. Pero seryoso tayo ha. Okay, una-una, I do not believe you when you say that you got nothing for him. I'm sure you still miss the guy. But you were just so hurt because you took your chances with him and he failed you, right?
Maybe.
You are so plastic. Diba? Nasaktan ka kasi ate kasi inirisk mo yung marriage mo to be with him. The only reason why it took you a year para balikan yung husband mo because he was there. Tama mali?
Tama.
See? And he hurt you. He failed you big time. I am sure during the time that you were together, you've been talking about divorce, right? You divorcing your husband, right? And the only reason why you are back with your husband is because he cheated on you. Now your husband is the rebound. Now I wonder, do you really love your husband?
I do. That's why we're trying to work out our relationship.
What will happen, my dear, if in case mo na. Hindi ko makuha English eh. Ano mangyayari kung halimbawa hindi kayo naghiwalay nung Pinoy? Do you think you're back with your husband?
I don't know.
That's the point. About that. Right? That's the point. You got nowhere to go, so you are now back with your husband. You are being unfair.
Yeah.
In Tagalog, madaya ka. Ang daya-daya mo. Burubusit ako sa mukha mo. Pag nakita ka kanto ng bangasang kita ba? Saan akong tanga? Sorry, ate. You have to prove... well, I'm not your cousin, so you don't have to prove it to me, but... I almost do not believe that you love your husband. Had it been your childhood friend did not cheat on you. And the fact that you drove him home when he was drunk is a great indicator that you still care for him. And the only reason why you blocked him on your account is because you don't want your husband finding out about what you've done. Is that about right?
No.
Oh my God, I'm wrong.
Because ayoko lang talaga nagkaroon ng communication sa kanya.
Okay,
kaya lang,
stop. Stop.
Opo.
Ayaw mo ng communication, tama?
Opo.
Paano ka niya nakukulit?
Bali po nga, sa trabaho naman siya nangungulit.
Ate, you can go ahead and tell people, di ba, not to give you pass the phone to you if this guy calls. When was the last time that you talked to him over the phone?
Last Friday.
And you want me to believe you're trying to get rid of him, right?
Because he said to my workplace it was an emergency for the house. So I was thinking it was emergency of my family. And then only to say that it's only him. And
you calling my show tonight does not make me believe that you are no longer bothered by this guy.
I am bothered.
You shouldn't be bothered. You are now with your husband. There should be no other guy in the world who's going to confuse you other than your husband, if you love your husband.
I do. I'm just bothered kasi yun lang daw ang hinihingi niya na ibalik yung friendship namin.
Ate, can we stop being stupid tonight? And let's all say the obvious thing. That, ano ba? Magbalikan yung friendship? You both know it's impossible. Dahil kahit ano mangyari, may mali siya na, ate. So there should only be one answer to you. Stop talking to the guy. Diba? You are not supposed to be bothered because you're supposed to have only one answer. Do not talk to the guy. Period. But why are you bothered? Because you still care for the guy. Are you waiting for someone to tell you go back to him? Because honestly, I believe you miss the guy.
Okay.
Do you miss the guy? You drove him home, ate. It's a big gesture. Especially you are in Wales. Diba? Ngayon dyan, ate, pero oras bayad. Your time is, diba, precious sa lugar na yan. And you drove him home. You got inside his house. Diba? At wag ka magtaka, diba? Kung pagpasok mo sa bahay niya, he tried to kiss you, and I do not believe you didn't kiss him back. Kasi alam mo, na pagpasok mo sa pintuan niya, hahalikan ka niya. It is the same place you were making love with that guy when you were together. Diba? Kung gusto mo lang siya ihatid, pagbaba ng kotse, umalis ka na.
Eh, grabe ka naman, Papa Jack. Nag-make love naman.
Because you have a husband!
Anak yun.
Because you have a husband. Ate, you are not supposed to drive home your mistress ba pag lalaki? Your ex-lover? Diba? May asawa ka na, you got back with your husband during Christmas season. December, tama? And you drive home your ex-lover, and you want me to believe you got nothing for him? That's a nightmare. Ha?
Sorry na po. Masyado nang mataas ang boses niya.
I'm sorry.
Masyado po kayong high blood.
Hindi, ano ka ba? Ganito kami sa bahay.
Ano ba kayo?
Kahit umorder lang ako sa Jollibee, ganito ako. Pa-order ng chicken! Ganun kami. Oo, high blood kasi ako. Kaya may kapat ako sumigaw. Sakit ko kasi yan. I mean, Kailin, maniniwala ba ako na hindi mo na siya mahal? Yung totoo. Between you and me, did you kiss him back?
No.
Okay.
I really don't. First of all, I have respect sa bahay niya. Before, we make love sa kwarto niya.
Okay. Don't even go that far. Because I do not believe that. The fact alone that you drove him home, diba? Yeah. And you got inside his house. Imposible hindi mo naisip that he is going to make some advances to you. Kasi pag hindi mo naisip yan, ate, pasensya ka na, may kabubuhan ka pala.
Puro nga, Papa Jack.
Diba? Pumasok ka, you drove him home. It's the same thing, diba? Driving him home, getting inside his house, are the same things you've been doing for him or you used to do during the time that you were lovers. Have you ever heard of the line, the heart will forget, but the body will remember? Diba? Tapos gusto maniwala ako, tapos sasabihin mo sa akin ngayon, problema ka po kasi, I cannot get rid of him. Ako man yung lalaki. Kailan lang nasa loob ka ng bahay ko, maniniwala ba ako na hindi mo na ako gustong makita kahit kailan? Honestly. Yung totoo, ha?
Papa Jack, hindi ko naman sinadyang makita siya.
Ate, sinadya mo, hindi. You drove him home. You got inside his house. Big deal yan. Sorry mga kaibigan, big deal. Why? Diba? Kasi the only reason kung bakit siya naglakas ng loob na itry kang halikan and you claim hindi ka nagpahalik, diba? Ay dahil may napag-usapan kayong may mali siya inside the car.
Ha? Wala kayong pinag-usapan kasi talagang lasing po siya.
Ano ba? Yung mali na naman ako.
Kasi lasing talaga po siya. As in, siguro kung iniwanan ko ay gumagapang na nagsusuka.
So what? So what? You have a husband. So what?
Yes, I know. I have a husband.
Okay, ganito na. Alright. Kailin. Kyle. Ano kaya ang mangyayari if this happens to your husband? Your husband will drive home a girl, happens to be an ex-girlfriend, kasi lasing na lasing. And then your husband will tell you, we did not try to kiss. Would you believe your husband?
No.
That's the point. So I don't believe you. But I am not your husband.
Nakakaloka.
Diba? Kasi honestly, Kyle, ang tumawag ka sa akin, ang problema mo, how do you get rid of him?
Yeah.
You don't need to make a long-distance phone call just to ask, how do you get rid of an ex-boyfriend? It's very easy to do. You called me to talk about him because you still care for him.
Hindi, Papa Jack. Gusto ko siyang kausap.
Mali na naman ako. Sabi nila ako, mali mo ako ng show.
Hindi talaga, Papa Jack. Gusto ko siyang kausap. But I'm really, really thankful for your advice na mali ko naman talaga na hinatid ko siya. And maybe I still care for him.
No, can we drop the word maybe? Because you do still care for him.
I still care for him on the first place.
Caring for Kyle, caring for someone is never wrong. Even if it's for an ex-lover, it's never wrong. It's a very good human trait, caring for someone. I hope we all learn to care for someone. But if you manifest your caring to your ex, it becomes wrong. Because you put action to your thoughts. And it's wrong because you're married. How dare you?
Okay.
Diba?
Apo.
Do you really believe that when you called my show, I will have an answer for you when you ask me, how do I get rid of my ex-lover? Palagi mo may hasagot ako sa'yo? Hindi ko alam. Ako ba nandyan? Bigyan mo akong ticket. Puntahan kita. Ipapakita ko sa kung paano. Ngating ko yung telepono mo. Alam mo kung anong tawag sa'yo?
Ano po?
You gago. You're gagoing yourself.
Ano?
Be honest with your husband, Dad.
Opo.
I mean, lay down all your cards. Allow your husband to love you, di ba, for who you really are. With all the mistakes and flaws that you have as a person, with all your shortcomings, di ba, your imperfections, that makes up who you are as a person. And then maybe it's going to be a good gauge whether it's the right decision to go back to your husband. Because I honestly do not believe na kung hindi ka niloko ng childhood friend mo, babalik ka sa asawa mo. It just so happened that you were so sad and it was Christmas and you needed someone to be around.
Grabe, may ganun talagang process.
I'm sorry, my dear, but I've been doing this for 10 years. You cannot go ahead and fool me.
I was not trying to fool you.
Wala, ma-adlib lang yan.
That's why.
Diba?
Apa.
I'm sorry, but I have to be honest with you, ate. I do not believe that even if when you're so far away from the Philippines, you become a lesser Filipino sa ating kultura. Alam mo na hindi maganda ang pagsinungaling mo ngayon.
Opo, alam ko yun. Kaya nga.
Alam mo, di ba? Yung sinabi ng nanay mo na maliit ka, na wala anak, walang bahong hindi sumisingaw. Tama, mali?
Tama po.
You don't love your husband. I'm sorry, but I do not believe that you are in love again with your husband. I'd love to believe that you are trying to fall back. Diba? Dun sa pag-iibigan ninyo. Fall in love again.
Opo.
Get rid of your ex. Ate, madali lang yan. Don't ask me kung paano. I would never know.
Okay.
Galing ko. And be honest to your husband. Alright?
Okay po. Apa.
Malungkot ka dyan, no?
Eh, syempre, mag-isa lang ako. Wala dito yung mga bata. Malungkot. Yun po.
Honestly, ate, Kung naging matino ba itong childhood friend mo, do you think you're still going to be together?
Siguro.
It could have been a good love story sana. No? Childhood friend.
It should be.
You've known each other, di ba, since childhood, and you went to find your fortune elsewhere, di ba, half a world away, and you still meet the childhood friend. You fell in love, and you lived happily ever after. It could have been a very wonderful story. But he failed you, and you're back with your husband. And that's the reality. And now that you're back with your husband, Ate, be true to your husband.
Apo.
Promise me.
Yeah. Ano po?
Thank you for calling my show.
Thank you rin po, Papa Jack.
I hope I made you realize something.
Yes, you did.
Ano nga pala binabalot mo kanina?
Sila, ano siya, tape.
Ano na?
Vintage tape.
Tapes? Padala mo nga ako dito 4. Anong mga tapes, ate? Anong tape?
Vintage cassette tape siya. Dati yung mga taga-UK kasi nahilig sila sa mga vintage. Yung mga nabibili ko, iniipon-ipon ko. Tapos parang binabanda ko by bundle.
Okay. Alright.
So, kumikita sa buhayan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Anyways, ate, thank you for calling my show. Thank you for allowing me. Right?
Apa.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po, Papa Jack.
Thank you, ate, for allowing me to make you realize something. Ingat ka dyan. Say hi to all the Filipinos in UK.
Oh, for sure. I will. Apa.
Bye-bye. I hope to see you soon when you come over, right?
Yes, I will. It's by Star City, is it?
Yes, it's within CCP.
Yes.
Complex.
Yes, CCP Complex.
Sige, salamat sa pagtawag.
Salamat po.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Nahirapan yung pagkatao ko sa kanya. Mahal pa niya yun. No? Niloko lang siya, may gano'n, no? Yun yung bakit yung pag nagkaedad pa sila at nagkita sila, sabi niya, kung kasi niloko mo ako, sana tayo pa rin. Kaya ganyan na yun, no? O sasabihin ng lalaki sa kanya, pasensya ka na, nung time na yun, maloko pa ako. Nagbago na ako, pakis nga. Bawa. Ay, nako. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagantabay, pagtutok, mga kaibigan. I'm not going away yet. I'm not going home yet. I am going to play a few songs and I will go home. I am going to run in BGC later. BGC to Tagaytay. Back and forth. Just lang. Ano? Iron Man? Play muna ako ng kanta. Wait lang, mga kaibigan, ha. Inom lang ako ng kape. Sarap. Mabati lang tayo, mga kaibigan. Magandang tumuloy, ha. Hello to Mama Emma and her kids. Yan. Ayoko tong laitin kasi doktor yung nagsulat, eh. Hindi pala. Pangit pala yung sulat. Kasi pag doktor maiintindihan mo, eh, no? Di ba? Anong tawag dun sa sulat ng doktor? Steno. Di ba? Yung reseta minsan, di ba? Ang makakabasa lang yung pharmacist. Ano ba to? Biojesing lang pala yan. Gano'n. Di ba gano'n? Ano ba yun? Mama Emma and her kids from Canada. Prince and Queenie Villanueva of Tanza, Cavite, Santiago family and Carlos family from Emil and Ethan. Maligayang pakikinig po. Ayan, ha? Salamat sa inyong pagtambay, pagsama sa akin dito. Papalay lang ko ng kanta. Ito, pabati naman po sa mga Albar, boys sa Kuwait, Francie, JR, J. Crisostomo, Charles, Christopher, Abbott, and Kent. I want to say hi to Tropang Fabrica, King, Christian, Franklin, Christopher, John, Maria Corazuan, Marinel, Rica, Nika. Galing kay Charles, Brian. Maligayang pakikinig po sa Tropang Fabrica. Saan yun? Sa Kuwait? High school.